Hi, I'm Jody from Sportsmith's tech support team. This video will describe the differences in drive belt types. We also cover some of the things you need to know before replacing your drive belt. There are several different types of belts on fitness equipment. This video will focus on three of the most popular: Poly V, FLEXONIC belts, which are also a type of Poly V belt, and HTD belts. Ribbed or Poly V belts use a tension system or idler pulley to keep tension. They have lines around the circumference of the belt. If your belt is making noise or slipping, then tightening the belt may solve your problems. Keep in mind, to remove and replace the belt, you will need to loosen the idler or remove the tension. Poly V belts get replaced most often due to breakage or because the belt cannot be tightened enough. FLEXONIC belts are a type of Poly V belt. They also have lines around the circumference of the belt, but most will not use a tensioner system or idler pulley. These belts are designed to be very tight. So tight, in fact, that we hear from our customers who are having a hard time getting this belt off. There is no way to remove the tension on the machines without an idler or tension assembly, so it can be quite difficult. Some people will simply push the belt to the side while turning the pulleys, which can be very dangerous. An easier method is to use a piece of string or a bungee to pull the belt to the side while turning the pulleys. Installing these belts can also be very difficult. The easiest method begins by placing the belt around the smaller pulley. Then place the belt into the grooves of the larger pulley while keeping pressure on the back of the belt. Now, turning the pulley with the opposite hand will pull the belt onto the pulley. Some machines will have a hole in the side of the larger pulley you can use to zip tie the belt onto the pulley to install it. FLEXONIC belts are usually replaced due to the belt making noise, slippage, or because the belt breaks. HTD belts are easily identified by the lines or cogs that go across the belt from side to side like teeth. Sometimes they are referred to as HTD timing or synchronous belts. These belts are used in applications with and without idler pulleys or tension systems. In most cases, HTD belts get replaced due to wear on the cogs or because the belt breaks. This picture shows a new belt and an old belt. Notice the differences between the two belts. Sportsmith carries all three of these types of belts and will be glad to help you. This completes our video about drive belt types. Thanks for your support during our more than 20 years in the business.